Hi everyone, today I will show you winter special carrot halwa recipe. Add 2 kg grated carrots in a deep pan. Pour 2 kg full fat milk. Switch on the flame. Cook on medium flame till milk completely dissolves. Keep stirring from time to time. Once milk completely dissolved, add 250 milliliters pure desi ghee and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cook for more 5 minutes. Add 250 grams of sugar. Stir continuously and cook for 15 to 20 minutes till sugar completely dissolves. Add 200 grams of khoya and mixed nuts as per your own choice. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Winter special delicious carrot halwa is ready. Serve hot and enjoy.